everybody, we are here at Bhiwandi. This is the furniture market here, and Design Touch is proud to announce you that this Lux Square showroom is made by us. Let me take you to a tour to the showroom inside. So let's start our tour from here. This is my reception area. So why we've made this so big is because we did not want to make any furniture windows. That's too typical. And you can see this area where we've started with the waves. So the concept in the whole showroom now that you will see is that free flow and fluidity. Let us take you to the showroom now. At Lux Square, our goal was to make a furniture showroom, but that showroom we wanted to do in a free flow design where every individual place speaks for itself, but also when you see it totally, it symphonizes and harmonizes in each other. So here if you see, we've taken all the monotonous tones and color, making the panels for every corner. So we have all the corners highlighted. We have the concepts done in such a way that the client, whoever comes here, can vision or maybe visualize how the furniture will look at their house. We believe that the furniture showroom cannot just be a piece of a showroom. It has to interact, speak to people and understand their emotions. So this is how we've done it. Every corner has its own emotion and story. If you see, we've taken a lot of panels here, a lot of monotonous things there. If you can see, what we've done is we've curated a corner there where we've kept all our highlighter pieces, and we've made it in such a way that tomorrow if these people have a immense heavy or a nice piece of furniture, we can just display it here. So from right at the entrance, this is the view that we get. So this is the emphasized corner. This leads to the washroom and the client conference zone or maybe the lunch area here. This is, as you see, you can see the entire showroom from everywhere. Still, it is made in parts that all the corners are highlighted. We at Design Touch Studio believe that only design does not matter. Practically and functionality matters the most. So this is the most functional and practical way for us to look at it. These, if you see, are the columns, which are a structural unit. We cannot change them, but we've turned them into the designer pieces. Every corner shows you the detail, how a blank corner can lit up the space just by adding little texture to it and doing a nice false ceiling. So this store is just the ground floor. We have still 2 more floors to go. Let's go. Whoever cannot follow us by a staircase can go by the lift. I will take the stairs though. Healthy living. At Lux Square, it's not just about luxury for us. It's how the seamless living blends into everybody's house. So here you can see we've made all circles, a curved partition, so that we can give justice to our free flow design. Here the importance is on the free flow design, the fluidity, the textures. We wanted to make a walkway for the client so that the clients do not scatter here and there. So here if you see, this is like a barricade so that the clients do not go there. So they will walk the way I am walking, so that we get justice to each and every corner of the detail and the places that we've placed the furniture. This wall is like a synchronized big living room wall where we have formal, informal sitting with the dining in between. This is how we've placed it right now, so people can visualize how this furniture piece is going to look in their house. All my curves are so soft and fluid that they do not hamper the furniture. Putting little highlights here and there is enhancing the entire area, giving the soft mood lighting with the focus which comes directly on the furniture pieces. This, if you see on my right, is that curved partition which I showed you earlier. Now this is the inside of that partition. This is how somebody can imagine how a living room can look like when it is placed. Let me now take you to the first floor of the showroom. Let's tour on the first floor. Here if you see, the soft curves, the organic forms, the shape, the color, the texture, it will give you the feeling of openness, yet giving you marked areas. Here also if you see, because we had limitations on the height, what we've done with the columns are we've given them indirect light so that it gives the ambience in the entire living section or maybe in the showroom. These curves show that it is open, yet you are dividing it. Here in this showroom, we've made sure that every corner has some or the other detail, some or the other emotion, so that whoever comes here takes this home and cherish it. So this curve, if you see, it's like a big curve, but we've cut them into two pieces, making the connectivity and the visual impact better. We didn't want to break the pieces or break the area by giving it solidity, but we wanted it to be in a free flow, the fluidity in such a way that every piece kept on the either side of the partition looks or has its own importance. It does not mingle or connect to any other piece, so that the client has no confusion. Every piece has its own identity. So as you walk, the interest increases. What is behind the grill? So now if you come behind the grill, there's another set of sofa. Let's follow to the ground floor. Designing is a journey, and I hope to see and do more of these kind of work where I can give functionality, practicality, and elevating your sophistication to a next level for everyday's life. Thank you for joining me at this tour, and hope to work with everybody around, making their spaces more beautiful and elegant